Getting blocked by the AutoHotKey error in FC26, let's fix the "this software cannot be used" issue in just a few quick steps and get you back in the game. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to fix the AutoHotKey error in EA Sports FC26, the one that says this software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Stick around, we will walk you through the exact steps to resolve it fast. Method 1. Close AutoHotKey and related apps. Check system tray. Look for AutoHotKey icon. If you found that, right-click on it and then select Exit. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Find AutoHotKey.exe, then right-click on it and select the End Task option. Also check if you have these tasks running: Jack Score, Joy to Key, either mouse, Drop Top or Rain Meter, Corsair ICUE, 3XS software, Game Companion, Menu.exe, WPort or W's VR software. If any of these processes are running, then close them. After closing all conflicting apps, restart your PC. Launch FC26 again and check if the error is resolved. Method 2. Clean boot your PC. The next thing you can do is clean boot your system. This disables all third-party apps temporarily. Here is how to do so. Press Windows plus R keys to launch Run Utility. Type msconfig in the Run command box and press Enter. Go to Services tab and check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click on the Disable All option. Then go to Startup tab, then open Task Manager and disable all startup apps. Once done, restart your PC and launch FC26 and check if that works for you. Method 3. Create a new Windows user profile. Some AutoHotKey scripts are tied to your user profile. Creating a new Windows user profile can help. Here is how to do so. Open Windows Settings, then select Accounts, then Family. Then click on Add Someone. Follow as shown to add a new user. Once done, log into your new user account. Then install FC26 and launch the game. If it works, your original profile may have lingering AHK scripts or startup apps. Method 4. Check Startup folder or Task Scheduler. Open Run Utility, then type Shell, Startup in the Run command box and hit Enter. Delete any .ahk or suspicious files. Next, open Task Scheduler, then look for tasks launching AutoHotKey or related apps and disable them. And that's it. You should be back on the pitch without any interruptions. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Still stuck or found a different workaround? Drop it in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will see you in the next video.